Hi everyone. Now we will have some important points of human eye for class 10. Thank you. The human eye is remarkable, a natural optical instrument that acts like a camera. It allows us to perceive the world, colors and shapes.
The human eye captures a unique angle. Our brain fuses these to calculate depth. The eyeball is spherical in shape. We can distinguish distinct colors and perceive
We
worlds.
have two eyes primarily to see the world in three dimensions. Positioned slightly apart, each eye captures a unique angle. Our brain fuses these to calculate depth, judge distances accurately, and enjoy a wider field of view of up to 180 degrees. To see an object clearly, it should be held at 25 centimeters. This is the least distance of distinct vision. This varies from person to person and with
The maximum angle at which we are able to see the whole object is called angle of vision. This is about 60 degrees for a healthy human being. Thank you. The eyeball is approximately spherical in shape, with a diameter of 2.3 centimeter. Thank you.
The front portion of eye is more sharply curved and is covered by a transparent protective membrane called the cornea. Thank you. Behind the cornea, there is a place filled with a liquid called aqueous humor, which provides nourishment and maintaining the eye's shape. Thank you.
Behind aqueous humor is a crystalline lens responsible for the image formation. The eye lens forms a real and inverted image of an object on the retina. Thank you. Between the aqueous humor and the lens, we have a muscular diaphragm called iris. Iris helps in controlling the amount of light entering the eye through the pupil.
In low light condition, the iris makes the pupil to expand so that more light is allowed to go in. Thank you.
In the case of bright or excess light condition, iris makes the pupil to contract and thereby prevent the excess light not to go into eye. Thank you.
Iris, which has a small hole in it called pupil. Iris helps in controlling the amount of light entering the eye through pupil. Thank you. The pupil appears black because any light falling on it goes into the eye and there is almost no chance of light coming back to the outside. Thank you. The distance between the lens and retina is about 2.5 centimeters. Thank you and keep learning.
The ciliary muscle to which eye lens is attached helps the eye lens to change its focal length by changing curvature. Thank you. Do you know, when the eye is focused on a distant object, the ciliary muscles are relaxed so that the focal length has its maximum value. Thank you and see you again.
When the eye is focused on a closer object, the ciliary muscles are strained and focal length of eye lens decreases. Thank you. See you again.
Retina is the light-sensitive layer of tissue lining the back of the eye, containing photoreceptors that convert light into electrical signals.
Optic nerves are a large bundle of sensory nerve fibers transmitting electrical signals from the retina directly to the brain for interpretation.
Rods and cones are photoreceptors in the retina. Rods handle dim light, night, and peripheral vision. Cones handle color and sharp central vision. Vitreous humor is the clear, gel-like substance that fills the large space between the lens and the retina, supporting the eye's round shape. Hello, my name is Dr. Sara, and I am going to tell you about the important parts of the human eye and their function. This is the cornea. It protects the eye and bends light as it enters the eye during the normal vision process. This is the lens. It focuses the light onto the retina so that you are able to see things very clearly. This is ciliary muscles. It changes the shape of the lens to focus on near and distant objects. This is the pupil, an opening that allows light to enter the eye and helps you focus on what you are seeing. This is the iris, which controls the size of the pupil and helps to regulate the amount of light entering the human eye. This is the retina. It converts light into nerve signals for the brain, allowing us to process and perceive visual information accurately. Rods and cones are the two types of light-sensitive receptor cells in the retina of the human eye, essential for our vision. Rods are about 120 million in each eye, working in dim light to help us see movement without detecting any colors at all. Cones are about 6 million in each eye. They work best in bright light, help us see colors, and provide sharp, detailed vision.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Your support and encouragement mean a lot to me. Please keep watching, liking, and sharing. See you next time. Bye. Hi everyone. We will continue with few more topic of human eye for class 10. Thanks.
The ability of eye lens to change its focal length 2.5 to 2.27 centimeters to form a clear image on the retina is called power of accommodation of lens.
If the focal length of our eye lens is beyond the range of 2.5 centimeters to 2.27 centimeter, then three common defects are myopia, hypermetropia, and 3 presbyopia.
In myopia, we can see near objects clearly, but not distance objects, because light rays converges before retina, decrease of focal length, and stretch of eye like egg.
In hypermetropia, the far vision is clear but not near one due to convergence of light rays behind retina, increase of focal length and size of eye. Myopia is corrected by using concave lens and hypermetropia by using convex lens of suitable focal length. Thank you.
Hypermetropia and presbyopia, both cause blurry near vision but have entirely different causes. In hypermetropia, eyeball is too short, causing light to focus behind the retina. Presbyopia is age-related, in which the eye's lens loses flexibility. Sometimes a person may suffer from both myopia and hypermetropia with aging. This condition is called presbyopia. To correct presbyopia, we need bifocal lenses having both concave and convex lenses. Its upper portion consists of the concave lens and lower portion consists of the convex lens. Thanks. Dispersion of white light is the phenomenon where white light splits into its 7 constituent colors when passing through a transparent medium, like a glass prism. White light is a blend of all visible colors, which travel together but at slightly different wavelengths. Violet light has the shortest wavelength, while red has the longest. When light enters a denser medium, like a prism, it slows down and bends. Because the colors have different wavelengths, they travel at slightly different speeds and bend at different angles. Creates the visible color band known as a spectrum. A natural example is a rainbow. Suspended water droplets in the air act like tiny prisms, dispersing the white sunlight into a spectrum. The formation of a rainbow involves 3 main steps inside each raindrop. They are refraction and dispersion and total internal reflection.
The process of re-emission of absorbed light in all directions with different intensities by atoms or molecules is called scattering of light. Thank you. For scattering to take place, it's mandatory to have sunlight and the scattering centers like atoms or molecules. Thank you. Sometimes we see red sun in early morning and in evening and white sun in afternoon, and blue color sky is due to scattering of white light. Thank you. Reason for red color sun. Sun appears red in early morning and evening. During scattering, only red color reaches because it has high wavelength and low scattering, while other colors vanishes. Thank you. On a hot day, abundant of water molecules are present in the atmosphere. These water molecules scatter the color frequencies than blue. All such colors of other reach your eye and the sky appears white. The reason for blue sky is due to the molecules nitrogen and oxygen. The sizes of these molecules are comparable to the wavelength of blue light. These nitrogen and oxygen molecules act as scattering centers for scattering of blue light, and hence sky is blue. Why is the sky black? If either white light or molecules are absent, then no scattering is taken place and hence sky appears black. For example, in night or to astronauts,